Hey guys, Dallas Weird here again with the unboxing and overview of the Microsoft Arc keyboard. As you may know, a week or so ago, I did the review of the Microsoft Arc Touch mouse, and I just received this from Amazon a few hours ago, and so let's get into the boxing. And for time's sake, I did take off the plastic here, and I took out the batteries and inserted them into the keyboard. Anyway, whereas the Touch mouse was only Windows 7 compatible, and like I said, probably is with Vista and XP, because I used to put the XP on 1330, it says Mac and Universal. So it just shows will be free, more there, here, there, anywhere, show it off. And with this keyboard, the one thing that everyone says is the point of sale for this, it's about $59.95. I got this for $13 new. And the point of sale for this keyboard is it's curved, obviously an arc like that, and it's, as you can see, the first thing when you open it, you have this pouch that the keyboard comes in. And the one con actually that I have about this is, if you notice, it looks really nice, stylish, glossy, arced obviously. The arc shows off a little bit better here. See? You can see, but the one problem I do have is there's no real F1, F12 keys. As you can see, F1, F6, and you have F7. I'm not sure if you can see well enough, but F7 to F12 in on top of them, where you have to press the function key. And next to functions, you can see this is the only con other than the F1, F12, is that there's no real four-way arrow keys. There's actually just a directional pad, D-pad, which is pretty hard to push when you're playing, say, game. So yeah, to turn it on, all you have to do is press function escape. Then a little light should turn on. I'm pretty sure it should. There you go. And the yet again, I have the problem with the unifying because this isn't unifying, it's just one thing. Receiver, it's stored magnetically under the keyboard. Here's the battery compartment. It's pretty sleek. Anyway, let's go with unboxing. Nothing else. Here we have the Microsoft CDs and documentation. Start here. So basically what came with the Arc, and for some reason there's no CDs. And this actually seems like a more Apple-esque box, so to say. And the reason I say that is because, I mean, just look at it, it's more Apple. Really clean, sleek, and simple. Well, they use cardboard, so I'm guessing that's a bit more earth-friendly, whereas Apple uses all clear plastics. And just, you know, I'm not bashing on Apple, I'm just saying that Apple uses too much plastic in their products. So anyway, here's the keyboard. As you can see, it's no bigger than a regular travel size keyboard, but at the same time, like I said, the D-pad is very useless. So, I guess that's it for an unboxing, and next video will be review and final thoughts, and see you then.